Right, yeah. Yes, you want, right? Brother, you don't know me a whole product, man. Wait, ready to say order? Yeah. Not sure that this This. Ah. Yeah. Black man. Oh, black. Oh, black. Alright. Yo, sugar. What up? What up, man? Give me everything. Oh, everything enough. Give me. What up? Sure. Yo, brother. Easy na dog. Yo, I'm party, brother. Low him. Yo, just easy. F. Dog, come talk again in the dog. I say, sure, brother. Yo, brother. No need to get violent, dog. We can't work out this, no, brother. Nothing for work out. I don't want to work out nothing, brother. The only thing I want to work out is my chica finger, brother. Yo, make me have to get it up like morning exercise. You sure, brother. Yo, easy. Oh, yeah, Musa, dog. Yo, I know you me and talk. Easy now. What you say? Yo, on the girl. Ah. Really, dog? Yo, follow procedure. Quick. Big man thing charge, I can't lift with one. Oh? Lift with one? Oh, that brother, it's like... Alright, we can't lift with one, you know. But I know one way you want me, I go lift it with, brother. So better you just give me everything, cause I shot me, I go lift it with. Chew it out! God, you know, if you want to say one, brother. Yeah. Yes, sir. Everything that everything. Make sure you know, everyone don't try nothing, you know, that me I telling you, you know. Shoot out, you know, brother. It's no say certain things. Achoo. August a while ago. August, here's something. What? I flew now. Huh? You have the what? You know, so the flu me I'm still brother, I tell you, give me everything. Everything. You go English class, you go school, everything. That mean all your flu to brother. Achoo. Yeah. Come touch me now. Right, son. Oh, you got no brother? One buckler. Next side. Brother, that's enough, man. Yeah. That me at that.